What's going on, mother truckers? If you have any concerns about anything to do with trucking, definitely send it to mothertruckernews@gmail.com. David Cullen here. He has a situation that just happened. He was out there in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania. Don't laugh at me. I looked up how to say it. It's not Aliquippa, it's Aliquippa. And and pretty much he accidentally went into a area where it said a 7-ton limit, and he was gross of 33,000 pounds, and pretty much the posted weight was about 14,000 pounds. So he was over 26,000 pounds. And guess what? He didn't hit nothing or anything like that. He told the state trooper or police officer, hey, look, the GPS took me down the wrong road. I apologize. I'm making a U-turn. He says, no problem. Here's your $7,359.50 ticket. So if you're out in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania, do not go down that road. Because if you do, you will get screwed. Mother truckers, comment down below. David Cullen, thank you for letting other truck drivers know that. But yeah, I guess these small towns, man, they will definitely give it to you. What are your thoughts about that, babe?
No,
honestly,
definitely.
Not about that. What are your thoughts about this guy? He didn't hit nothing. He accidentally went down the wrong road, and they taxed him $7,359.
That's your damn bad luck, then. I don't know, man.
We're just trying to make a living, man. I'd understand if he hit a whole bunch of stuff in there, right? But he just made a U-turn out, and that cost him.
They gotta make their quota too.
Mother truckers, comment down below.